Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Magento 2. Today we are going to learn about the setting of the Meta Robot Tags and the Robot.txt in Magento 2. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Why are robot tags and the robot.txt important? Meta robot tags. Meta robot tags control how search engines crawl and index specific page on your website. You can use them to allow or block index pages, follow or no follow links on a page, prevent duplicate content issues. Robot.txt file basically tells the search engine which parts of your website they should or should not crawl. It helps us with controlling the bot access to the specific URLs, preventing unnecessary pages from being indexed, optimizing crawl budget for the better SEO. There are several options you can choose from. Let's see what each robot meta tag option stands for in Magento 2. Robot.txt. Index follow. If you want the web crawlers to index a page and follow the links on that page, no index and the follow. If you don't want web crawlers to index a page but want them to follow the links on that page, index and the no follow. If you want web crawlers to index a page and don't want them to follow the links on that page, no index, no follow. If you want web crawlers neither to index a page nor follow the links on that page. Okay, how we can configure that? Go to the stores configuration journal, select the design search engine robots. Okay, so default robots, choose any of them: index follow, mono index follow and no index follow. Okay, so edit the custom instructions, add the specific meta directives if needed, click save config and flush the cache. Okay, configure the robot.txt. First of all, do this one. You have to go with the content, go to our configuration, right? We have the configuration, right? So go to the edit. So here you will get this search engine robots. Okay, so edit the custom instruction, you can just add it over here. So here you can see that you will get out the user agent disallow, index.php disallow is over there. So all of the things right coming over here, just scroll up and this is what. Okay, so you can you can add at your own. So I have already the disallow checkout page, customer wish list, cart, catalog. Okay, and allow the whole. So you can add it, and the sitemap would be this one, sitemap.xml. Okay, user agent applies rules to all the search engine bots. Disallow block search engines from the indexing specified pages. Allow indexing for all other pages. Sitemap helps to search engines to find your XML site. Save and test it. Okay, and then clear the cache. Right. So this is what you can go with that one. Next, I think we have a stores. We have a configuration. Okay, so here we will go. We will check this. There is a one file, the security. Okay, so there is another thing that is we are checking design part we have done. Okay, so select design search engine robots, we have already completed this one configuration. Yes, configure robot text Magento, go to the content design configuration. We have already done this. Okay, so we have instruction fields, right? So if I go and just check this content configurations, and here we have all the things like search engine robots. Okay, so you can add it over here and save this configuration, then it will automatically check all the things by the crawlers, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.